people, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing this video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. To my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for always being there for me. I really appreciate this kind of your love. Thank you guys so much. So today I bring good news to you, or that my beautiful daughter, my adult of the house, my womb opening and my first fruit is turning 3 years old today. So I'm so happy that at my age I have 3 years old child who I can share and talk to. I call her adult baby because she behaves like adults. We discuss together, we go anywhere we're going together. So I'm so happy today. Remember today, today was the special day I gave birth to her. So I remember this day when I was in labor, because since I got pregnant till 9 months, she refused to turn her head upside down. So I was in labor for 1 week in hospital. So I spent hospital 1 week. So they are trying to turn her head down, still yet she refused. So at the end, I end up with cesarean. So someone thank God for life, and I appreciate God for bringing her into my life. My coming to Europe was never be in vain, because I came to Europe alone and I'm going with full family. So I'm so grateful for God, but she's my gift, because tomorrow is mine too. You see, so she's a gift from God to me. So you see, that is why she's so special to me, very special, because she's 27, I'm 28. So I wanted to bake cake for her, because I did not celebrate it last year due to I was pregnant, heavy pregnant with the other of my child. So this year I wanted to just buy cake, because this winter and due to the COVID-19, you can't invite anyone to your house. So I wanted to bake cake for her so we can just celebrate it at home, but she liked blowing those candles. So the woman baking cake said there's no space, because birthday people are too much that she wants to bake cake for. So what I will do now, I'll prepare food for her, fry plantain for her, and make some tea for her. And later I will take her to the supermarket. So I will get her Italian cake. Then I will put her 3 years candle and sing happy birthday for her, and she blow her candle. So guys, so I will take you guys along with any activity that I'll be doing today. So that is all for today. chocolate.